The committee are to oversee the conduct of the delegate congress and the primary election in accordance with APC party guideline and relevant electoral laws. Also, an appeal committee is in place to receive and handle election petition in case there is any. There are 6 wards in Ahoda, 2, and 8 wards in Kana 2 constituency. From each ward, after the Congress, 5 delegates will emerge, which translate to 30 delegates for Ahoda 2 and 40 delegates for Kana 2, making 70 delegates. Those delegates are to conclude the primary election for the State Assembly flag bearer, which is coming tomorrow, God willing. Today, 25th January 2026, we handle and conclude the Delegate Congress. The primary election will be held tomorrow, as I said earlier. Our people moved to field and election were observed. The returning officers work with the local and the electoral officers at ward level. They fill the necessary document, follow diligent process to bring out the candidates for the delegates Congress. And the process is concluded by emerging candidates who become the delegate for the next coming primary assembly election for the State Assembly constituencies. While this process is concluded, we thank the APC members, both national and state, for conducting the Congress diligently, and we appreciate the state security services, the INEC observers, and the press for excellent coverage. Our special appreciation goes to His Excellency, the Governor of the state, who is also the leader of the APC party in the state, for all the support which we receive from him to ensure a peaceful Congress. And we count on that support, we'll stand by that support to conclude the primary election by tomorrow, God willing. We thank everybody here who is witnessing this press briefing, and by tomorrow, this assignment will be concluded to the letter. Thank you. Okay, so to save time, the other members who are 24 in number, they are sitting behind you, and they are part of the process. Most of them have gone to the field and partake in the process of the delegate conference.
Your assessment of APC in Rivers State?
Yes. As we move in Rivers State, in the constituencies where we are working, we have seen the reaction of the people. People are happy with the new development. We have got a new leader of APC in the state, and his leadership has further united the family of the APC. You can see APC is getting to be very stronger in Rivers State. Now the leadership is there, so people are united. They have a focus, they have a direction, they have a leader where they can hold, and with that, the fortune of the party will be very robust in the next coming election.
2022, it was a very tumultuous experience. Yeah, we saw the excitement on the members of our party, and they all came out from morning and waited until we got there, and there was high jubilation. Jubilation to the effect that they have aligned themselves with the governor who has identified with our party. And more importantly, as they were chanting renewed hope for Tinubu re-election in 2027. And they didn't have any doubts about their support. They will give it everything that it takes to actualize that dream. As far as we saw, the whole of Ahoda all came out. In fact, the whole of Ahoda 2 constituency are all APC. And we give glory to God for that.
We'll hear from...
Thank you. My field assessment of the state of the party, APC, in Rivers State today is quite encouraging. We saw in Kana 2 state constituency, as we move around the 8 wards constituting the state constituency, eagerness in our party members to get involved in the process of electing a new member for their state House of Assembly constituency. Despite the fact that the various wards were far from each other and getting there took us time, they waited eagerly, and we saw happiness, willingness, and eagerness to partake in the process in them. And they were happy that we now have a new leader in the person of the state governor in the party. And I think that is one of what is giving them joy. And I am very confident that our performance in the election, when the candidates finally emerge, will be very good.